Hello everyone, welcome back to Python the Basics. I'm your host Jessica, and today is lesson 11 and we're going to be building a better quiz. So, I think let's just have a look at the first quiz we ever made. So this was lesson 7. I think we started learning about if-else statements, and then we said okay, we can make a quiz here. So we made a very simple quiz. So why don't we run this basic quiz, shall we? Have a play of it, why not? So, what's our name? Jessica. Let's go. So, hello Jessica, welcome to the quiz. Question 1, what is 3 times 5? A, and I think it's C, and B. Okay, so my score was 3 out of 3. Awesome. But look how many lines, 61 lines just for 3 questions. There's a better way of doing that. So, without further ado, let's begin. So, this quiz, the user's going to have to write out the answers. So there's no A, B, C choice, they have to write it out. So, let's begin. So we're going to first of all create a dictionary with the question and answers in. The questions are going to be the keys and the answers are going to be the values. So actually let's just write this in Paint just quickly. Okay, so Q's is going to be a dictionary. So you're going to have question 1 here, answer 1 here, and then question 2 and answer 2, etc. I think we'll only have 3 questions for now, and then we'll go through each one, ask the user and see if they get it right. We'll also have a count as well. For any of them they get right, it'll increment if they do get it right. What else do we need? I think that's about it. So I think let's get straight into the quiz. So first of all, we're going to write questions. That's going to be defined as a dictionary. So I think we can use the questions from here, just to make it easier. So the first question, what is 3 times 5? Ooh, forgot we don't need the quotation marks. And then the answer will be, and then we need an answer 1, which is 15. Well, we don't need an answer 1, we could just have 15 with it. So yeah, so that's how the questions are going to work. So let's just do 1 question for now, and then we'll test it as we go. Counter, set that to 0. Because it's initially 0 because the user hasn't done anything yet. So let's first of all, let's welcome them to the quiz. So, hello, what's your name? And then down below they can answer. And we need name equals input. So, hello, what's your name? And then it will be whoever they are. Actually, we could put this in here. So hello here, welcome to the quiz. Version 2.0. So this is version v1.0. And then this is 2.0. So what's your name? So the user will enter their name in, and then we'll go print welcome. And then we'll have an F string, so the program can welcome the user kind of personally, I guess. Welcome user. The quiz is starting now. User's notified. Oh yeah, it's name, not user. So welcome name, the quiz is starting now. And then print, and then we can just put just a long line of equal signs, just to make it, I guess, better. And then, from here, main quiz will start. So the main quiz is going to start down here. So up here was just like, welcome with the user. These comments aren't important. You can write whatever you want with it. I'm just putting these there just to kind of like show you what does what. So this is all the questions, and the main quiz is going to start. So we're going to go through the questions. So we're going to do for each Q in and then questions. I said questions, not quiz. And then what we want to do, we want to... So then we just want to do print each Q. And then it will be I'm just going to say answer, short for answer, input. And then the user can write the answer here. And then we can check if ans, and then we can use is it ans dot contains? No, it's if ans equals each Q, and then it's the next, no, it's questions each Q. Print correct. Well done. And then we want to add 1 to the counter. Okay, cool. So I think we can run it now just to see. It's not going to give us a final score at the end at the moment. So welcome to the quiz version 2.0. What's your name? Jessic. The quiz is starting now. Question 1. What is 3 times 5? 15. Correct. Well done. Okay, coolio. So, I've returned. Okay, so now we can show the scores. So this is end of the quiz. Show the scores. Print. So what we can do here, we can do an F string, which is counter. We're gonna have the counter, which is the score, out of, and then the length of questions. So this will basically print. So let's say I got 2 of the 3 questions right. That will come up as that basically. So maybe we can do so-and-so's score, which is name score, counter over len questions. So here's your final score. And then below here we can write thank you for playing. There we go, cool. So that's basically the gist of it now. So this is the basic of it now. So we can start adding more questions to it. You can add as many questions as you want. And yeah, so wait, one more thing as well. We need an else statement just to see if it wasn't correct. So we'll do else incorrect. Yes, well done. You were incorrect. And then we can also write the answer was, and then it was questions each Q. So that'll give us the answer. And pop that in here. And cool. So now let's add 3 more questions to it. So let's do what is 6 times 7, which is going to be the next question. And then that. So what is 6 times 7? The correct answer was 42. It's a good thing I had those comments. So pop that in here. And then the last question, what is 12 times 5? It is 60. So the last key value pair. I keep forgetting. Jesus Christ. I was gonna say you leave out like one thing, then it just goes completely just haywire. So it was 60, correct? Let's just quickly check. Yeah, 60. So now if we save it, so now we have a fully functioning Better Quiz. So this was the original, 61 lines. This is our new one. We've bumped down to 26. All using everything we've learned so far. So now let's run it and play a quiz. So welcome to the quiz version 2.0. Yes, we're now doing a gameplay. So let's do Jessica. Welcome, Jessica. The quiz is starting now. Actually, wait, we forgot to do question 2 as well, and question 3. So let's do that again. Now we can run it. So, welcome to my gameplay of literally the quiz I just built. So let's say Jessie Quizzer. I'm gonna call myself Jessie Quizzer. I'm with a 30 and 03. Coolio. Welcome, Jessie Quizzer 03. The quiz is starting now. Question 1. What is 3 times 5? And also, by the way, as you progress through this, we'll make an even better quiz with timing and everything. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So question 1. What is 3 times 5? 15. What is 6 times 7? 42. 12 times 5, it was 60, I believe. And here's your final score. Jessie Quizzer's 03 score, 3 out of 3. Thank you for playing. Okay, it's cool. So we made a much better quiz than the one that we made here. So if I come over to my files, I'll just steal this. I'm gonna create a new file. Basic quiz, lesson 11. And then we can copy the code from here, and then we can compare it to next time we build a better quiz. Coolio. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you had a good time making a quiz with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.